Good morning from Sofia Central Railway Station here in Bulgaria. We made it back from Serbia and now we're on to our next adventure. Right now we're in Sofia and we're going all the way to Chisinau, Moldova via trains. This is going to be a hard one. She's not looking forward to it. She's inside there just waiting for our train. It's 6 o'clock in the morning here. This first part is to Bucharest. This train is going to be 7 hours on a very uncomfortable Bulgarian train. For those of you guys who don't know, traveling via train in Bulgaria kind of sucks. It's not like any other part of Europe. It's not like Romania or Slovakia even. For some reason, the trains here in Bulgaria seem to be the worst. This is a very long one, going all the way to Bucharest. And then from there, once we get to Bucharest, we're on a sleeper train, my very first ever sleeper train, all the way to Chisinau, Moldova. So come with us. Let's get on some trains. All right, no big deal, just us crossing our tracks here in Sofia to get on our train. Totally normal train.
Look at this one, it was so comfortable. Why did we go back?
We went about maybe 5 minutes to another train station on this one. And then this is our train that we're gonna be on for the next 7 hours. You see her getting on, I should have helped her. Oh, some other guy did. What a nice gentleman. See you in a sec. The famous Bulgarian trains. Exactly what I was on a year ago. Heading from Plovdiv all the way down to Sofia. That was a much shorter train. That was about 3 hours. But I mean, where else in Europe do you get trains like this? Very few places. I've seen it in Slovakia. It's basically the same train in Slovakia, but even then, like, someone will close this. In Bulgaria, they don't really care.
This is one.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. You happy?
Then I have over here, not there.
Yeah, it's a better car.
What is it?
What time is it?
8:43.
8:43. We've been on the train for an hour and 43 minutes. This is a pretty boring train. Yeah, there's not really much going on. No food car, no drink lady, no nothing. Yeah, so I haven't told you, but we're actually both sick. Maybe I mentioned it. I don't think I mentioned it. I'm starting to get over it, starting to feel better. When we planned this journey, we were not sick. So we both got sick just in time for our 25-hour train adventure. So perfect timing. Look at this. It is the future. And you were saying that it's a bad train.
I always love this.
Let's take a look. I wish I knew how long we were going to stop. Oh, there we go. We're going again. They don't really tell you how long you're going to stop for. Oh yeah, let's take a look at what a Bulgarian train toilet is like. Beautiful. No water. Someone's been smoking. No paper except for that. It's beautiful. So that's why I'm struggling to make content here. I mean, there's just nothing on this train. It is
Empty right now.
yeah, there's just nothing here. Okay, train lady said I have until 11:35. Oh yeah, they're gonna have coffee for sure. More beat. Maybe. But either way, but I don't have any euro coins. What a nightmare. Here we go. I would say let's explore the train station, but there's not a whole lot here. I'm not even really sure what town we're in. Some super small town. With the old board. That actually might be current with today. It is. I did get coffee. Unfortunately, it has sugar, but beggars can't be choosers, so we're gonna drink it. Okay. So yeah, now we gotta make it back to the train in time. But you know what? Mission successful. I did get coffee in this super old, cool train station. Well, we rushed back to the train to make sure to get here on time, and now we have been delayed for, what, an extra 20, almost 30 minutes now, I think. We've only got 2 other trains to catch on schedule, so hopefully we get moving soon. Oh my god.
It's happening.
We're moving!
I'm bored.
You're bored?
I'm bored. How to say?
Bored.
Boring.
No, it's bored. This is boring. I'm
This is
bored.
I'm bored. Yeah.
What time is it? How many more hours?
It's 12:50.
12:50.
Yeah.
So what, we have 30 more minutes? Wow. We're almost there. Holy crap. Almost in Roos. Anyway. Yeah. Nice and foggy. Nothing exciting happened on this train. Tried to relax a little bit, tried to feel a little bit better. That's it. Nice, normal, boring Bulgarian train ride. It was 7 hours. Can you believe it?
That's okay.
Yeah, not too
I
bad.
didn't sleep all this time.
Okay, we just got off the train at Roos. Now we've got about 20 minutes, 15 something minutes like that. So we can get some food, some coffee, get back on our bus to Bucharest. All right, I have a total of 25 minutes to find coffee, and there's not a single place in there to get coffee. Look at that. It's a beautiful little mosaic. Nice casino. Too bad I don't need to gamble right now. I just need coffee. The old subway station here in Rus, yeah? Rus. Look at that. How freaking cool is that? Right here on the border of Romania. Ah. Well, this is what we get. No. Why? Is that for real? Yeah. That is a big bummer. super sucks. Well, either way, so freaking beautiful train station. It is what it is.
You like this train?
I mean, you know, it's alright. It's just a normal, like, metro style train. As we cross the border into Romania. There, I assume we'll get onto, we gotta go through passport control. And I assume we'll get onto another cab style train. And then from there, I think we've got 4 hours, about 4 hours to Bucharest. So, yeah, not the most entertaining video. Long travel day for us. Yeah, it is what it is. She's just living her best life. Alright, well apparently I was wrong. We are not going to get on another train. Guess this is just our ride until we get to Bucharest, it looks like.
I want package.
Well, thank you for adding content to my video.
That's amazing content for your video. They need to know the truth. Everyone wanna pinch you. Your nose.
I'm going to cut all that out.
Why?
Okay, we made it to Bucharest. A little late, not too bad. Look at how happy she is.
I wanna cry.
Because she's freaking hungry. Yeah, we haven't had any food like all day. It is, what time is it right now? 6 p.m.? I think it's 6 p.m.
Where? 5.
It's 5 p.m. Okay, so we've been traveling for 11 hours. Yeah, we're gonna get some freaking food.
Cut it. Yeah. We go to McDonald's. We come back to McDonald's, guys.
Is that what you want?
Yeah. На. That's better McDonald's than Subotica. That's not it.
Alright guys, well that ends our journey to Bucharest. It was a boring 8 hours. It was actually 11 hours with all the stops and everything. 8 on trains total. Man, that was a boring train ride. No food carts, no water, not even a sink to wash your hands. Gotta love the Bulgarian trains. Any long train in Bulgaria seems to be the exact same thing. It's not my favorite. Yelena is at McDonald's where I dropped her off. I ran and got a little cash out of the ATM. And that's it. That's it for this video. So stay tuned, follow along, because we're catching another train soon. See you in the next video.